Outdoor pursuits is an AE. They gear you for leadership. People could trust you to go over a peak during a thunderstorm. And if you could gain that trust and harness that, you'll gain people's trust and leadership. When I discovered adventure education, it really enticed me to pursue Fort Lewis College. And I was roughly, I think, 31, 32. There's small nuggets of FLC that I take with me, and not just from adventure education or OP, but you can look at physics, inertia. I use inertia all the time in business and politics even. Because once you set something in motion, it's pretty difficult to stop, right? It's a big chapter in my life, and being a non-traditional student too is like you're scared of going back because you feel judged for being older going to school. I got elected on council in January. It's a 4-year term. The director of public works. Tribal nations are governments. So everything you see in a municipality and government is exactly what a tribe's functions need to have. You're looking at public safety, social services, economics. A lot of governments, they get their revenue from taxes. And so tribes, we can't tax our people. Our income stems from revenue based, and we have to find ways to be innovative and create that revenue. And a big portion is grants. So we work with the Bureau of Indian Affairs, Homeland Security. These are the issues now. Somebody else will be in leadership 20 years and it'll be different issues, different situations. A big reason why I went to the Fort and why I pursued a master's in public administration was I wanted to create this program, an outdoor recreational program for Native Americans. Taking people from the reservation to go see and explore the world, go explore outside those boundaries, right? Those boundaries are just not physical, they're psychological boundaries. I believe that the outdoor recreation and these activities is a conduit to personal growth because you're forced to challenge yourself, and then confidence comes with that, right? And confidence comes from doing. Because there's still a fee to go on some of these trips, and sometimes the big exciting trips come with a bigger price tag. And though prices are as low as they can put them, they're still operating costs. But I found a different way I can still make that impact.